it's me, Celeste.
And Tyler!
So today we're going to play Chubby Bunny. So we're not going to do a challenge actually. We are going to do something really crazy, but we're going to do Chubby Bunny only, but not challenge, but we play. And please comment down below who might win and who will win after this. We still don't know the results, so comment down below. So let's get on started. Now I'm done, and I have an announcement. I have a guest, my sister in the back there. Now I already opened the Max, actually Max. Chocolate mallows. It's chocolate mallows. So it's so you bought this one. And actually it's extra large. And we're going to eat 4 each, so we're gonna place another so we can set really. So
You want?
bye bye. Okay, stop it. Okay, now we're gonna start the game. And
That's Olaf.
oh my gosh, my pants are very good.
There's Blackpink. Show the Blackpink.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper,
Kailangan mo
scissors,
lagyan
show.
yung ano, kaysa
Shock, paper,
mapuno
scissors,
ng
show.
palis yung Diyos dun sa...
Chang, 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 chang.
Be careful with my dress.
Hindi pwedeng mapalis
Okay,
yun.
go. You say Johnny.
Wala naman ang laman yun.
Oh, lalong ma'am.
Okay, it's my turn.
Sa pen.
Chubby Bunny.
Don't chew. Don't
You're
chew.
you're chewing. Masayag mo yung gulagol. Okay, your turn.
Nagsanit sa akin. Bumili ako at
5 each na lang po.
Kumain ka, malalasing ka.
Go, Chubby Bunny.
Gusto naman ng ulo mo. Hindi ako kakain yun sa kumain.
Chubby
Ice
Bunny.
cream.
World Champions yan, no? Kaitan mo ba?
Dapat si Anna Rons. Hindi na lang pa.
Huwag mo chew ha. Third. Chubby Bunny.
Kaya na pinanalo nila kasi hindi nila mapapasikat.
Ate!
Wala? Oh, Chubby Bunny.
Nagtugtog na.
Chubby Bunny.
Uy, bilaukan kayo ha.
Chubby Bunny. Ayaw ko na.
Pag kayo na ano ha?
Okay guys, comment down below who won the best of like telling it and like responding from it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.